You give Hermes a task and you can see it's heading the wrong way. Wrong approach, wrong direction. So you do what you basically always do. You hit stop, you explain the whole thing again from the beginning. Well, Hermes version 0.20, well, it ends that. You can now correct Hermes while it's still working. You type in the correction. Hermes then folds it in, it keeps what it already built, and it just keeps on moving. Nothing stops, nothing resets. Now that's one of 4 updates that I'm going to be showing you today. And also, it talks now properly, not like a voicemail. It can show you its work with real citations, and it's got a new wave of new terminal commands that make the daily workflow genuinely faster. Now, one thing I want to mention before we start, a change in this release will break your install if you don't know about it. Now, I'm going to be covering that at the end of this video, so don't hit update before you get there. Now, every prompt, every config file, and all of the workflow templates that I'm going to be using in this video, all of it is inside our free school community. The link to that is in the description below, so go and grab them and follow along. But now, I need to mention this, and none of what I'm about to show you matters if your agent only exists while your laptop is open. So let's fix that first. So one thing I want to mention, a quick reality check on the desktop app. It's tied to your machine being awake. You close your laptop and everything goes with it. Also, the job that was halfway done, the schedule that you set for 6 in the morning, the agent is sitting there waiting on a trigger. All of that, literally, it's paused until you decide when to come back. An agent that only exists while you are watching it isn't really an agent. What you want is a VPS. It's a virtual private server. It's just a computer that's in the cloud. And the only thing that matters about it is that nobody ever turns it off. Your agent lives there instead of on your laptop. So fire off a task, shut everything down, go to sleep, and it's still going to be working. So I ran mine personally on Hostinger, and you can head over to hostinger.com/ZenoAutomates. Now that is also in the description below. So use the code ZenoAutomates at checkout for 10% off. And then what you want to do is you want to grab the KVM2, 2 cores, 8 gigs of RAM, 100 gigs of storage. That's honestly, it's the right balance for a fully connected agent. Now, the cool thing is that longer terms actually brings the monthly rate down even more. So I'm personally on the 24-month plan, but 12 is completely fine if you'd rather not want to commit that far out. Now, the install, which used to be the most painful part, but luckily it isn't anymore. Inside your panel, you are going to open up Docker Manager, and then you're going to go to Compose. And then you're going to search the catalog for Hermes. The 3 results are going to come back. Take the first one, Hermes agent, and then pick an admin username and a password, and then you're going to hit deploy. So that is basically the entire install. There's no terminal, no dependencies, nothing to wire up by hand, and your agent runs around the clock with your laptop out of the picture completely. Now the server's up, agents are running, so let's get into what actually changed. So firstly, we have the mid-turn redirection, and it basically works like this. While Hermes is actively working, you type a correction state into the conversation. It then steers mid-flight, and the work it already completed survives, and your original prompt survives. Your new guidance that you just gave, it folds in on the top, and it just adjusts, and then what does it do? It keeps on going. Okay, so let me show you what that actually looks like. So over here, I'm going to be giving it a task to do some research about Claude, okay? Now, watch it commit to the approach, and that's not exactly what I want. So instead of stopping it, I'm just going to be typing the correction that I only want information from the official Anthropic site while it runs, okay? And there it is. It picked up the correction, it kept the work, and it carried on. That means no stop, no restart, nothing was lost. Now, one smaller thing, okay? Pressing double escape now discards a drafted prompt. So if you ever accidentally sent a half-written prompt in, which I'm pretty sure we've all probably done, that problem is now gone. That's basically correcting it by typing. So here's what it sounds like when it answers out loud, okay? And this is now the section where your agent lives on a server. No mic, no speakers, so voice pretty much sounds like the one thing that shouldn't work, but it works on any channel that you have connected to your Hermes agent, and it's going to give it a job. Okay, so now watch this. I'm going to be sending a simple voice note in my connected WhatsApp channel. There's going to be no typing, no prompting, and I'm going to do it all right from here. So I'm just going to click this, and then I'm basically just going to say, hey Hermes, tell me the latest updates about Claude and if there were any other big AI launches in the past 48 hours. Now, here's the best part that people just don't expect. The reply comes back as a voice note.
Here's the rundown on the latest Claude updates and other big AI launches in the past 48 hours. First, the latest Claude updates, both from today, August 5th. Inference hooks in beta for Claude Enterprise. This gives compliance teams real-time data loss prevention.
Auto TTS delivery is platform aware now, so it sends audio the way WhatsApp actually wants it, instead of simply just dumping a wall of text on you. Voice in, voice out, and I never touched a keyboard. Well, that's if you don't count me clicking on record and clicking on send. So it's the same workflow on any other channel that you have connected to your Hermes agent. Wherever you already are, Hermes can now hear you and it can answer back. So if you are sitting at a machine with a mic, then there's a whole other half to this. Streaming voice, you can interrupt mid-sentence plus on-device wake words. Same release, different setup. So it hears you, but the next question is whether you can trust what it hands back. Okay, so here's the honest version of what AI research looked like before this, okay? You ask Hermes to research something and then it comes back confident, well-structured, and completely unsourced. So you go and you verify the claims yourself, and that is pretty much fine, except that kind of defeats the entire point of handing it off in the first place. The new grounded citation skill changes all of that. Every claim has a source attached, not a summary, not a paraphrase, the actual quote pulled from the actual page with a link back to where it came from and the citation point at the exact evidence. So that means that you can actually follow the trail yourself instead of taking it word for word. There's also a fact-checking mode. So you can hand it any document, a report, a proposal, a brief, and then literally tells you what checks out, what doesn't, and what it couldn't verify at all. So let me show you the second part to all of this, because it's the more useful one. You see this document over here, it has a claim in it that I actually know is wrong. So I'm handing the whole thing to Hermes and asking it to check the facts. And you give it a second, and then there it is. Caught, it's been flagged, and it even told me why. That's research, and here's what changed day to day in the terminal, okay? Now that is research. Now here's what changed day to day in the terminal. Now let's talk about some commands that you can run in the hosting a terminal. The first one is called bang mode. So type an exclamation mark followed by a shell command, and then it runs instantly without spending a model turn. Now here's why that specifically matters so much. Every time you ask Hermes to run a command before, that was a full round trip, okay? Your request goes to the model then decides to call the terminal tool, and then the tool then runs and the output comes back, and then the model reads it, and then the model basically talks to you. So that means that you basically pay tokens for all of that just to list a directory. Now that's where bang mode comes in. Bang mode literally skips the model entirely. You are talking straight to the shell. Now watch this. As you can see there, it is instant and my context window didn't even move, okay? So next is /context, okay? This breaks down exactly what's filling your context window. So basically, everyone has had that kind of session where it starts so fast and it slowly just starts to kind of like slow down. Replies get slower, and then it starts forgetting things that you said 20 minutes ago, and then you have no idea why. So you basically simply like just start a new chat, and then what happens? You lose everything. And the cool thing is that /context basically tells you why. Not just you're at 80% of the actual breakdown. That means the system prompts, your files, your conversation history, all of it. And then we have /init. So it scans your project and then it writes an agent MD file alive. So agent MD is the file that Hermes reads automatically whenever however it's working in that folder. So it's basically your stack, your conventions, and how the project is laid out, okay? So what not to touch, what to go for. Normally, you'd actually write this yourself. So /init reads the projects, and then it writes your first draft for you. So instead of re-explaining your setup at the top of every new session, Hermes now just walks in and it already knows what to do. Now there's another one that's called /diff. So this shows you everything that's changed so that you can review what your agent actually did before you commit to anything. And then there's also /focus, which collapses the output down to just the signal, which is what you want when it's running a long job, and the hidden lines are still there if you need to pull them back. Now, here's some more technical stuff that was in this update that's going to basically be working in the background, okay? So these are the other changes, okay? This is everything else in this release. So you have the A2A, which is the agent-to-agent protocol. So Hermes can now talk to other AI agents, and that means it's now not talking to copies of itself, other people's agents built with completely different tools. So up to now, multi-agent meant that Hermes was spinning up helpers of its own. So it was pretty useful, but it's a closed loop. So everything inside it is still Hermes. A2A is a shared language, so it doesn't matter what framework the other agents was built on if it speaks A2A. So that means Hermes can actually then work with it. So Hermes can hand a job off, it can take one on, it can sit in the middle, and it can run the whole thing. So the other big change is that the tools now fix themselves. So if a command spits out more text than fits, that means that Hermes now saves it and it reads it back instead of losing the end. And then if a search finds nothing, then it looks for close matches before giving up. So when it saves a file, then check that the file actually saved. So every one of those used to be a dead end where the agent sat there guessing what's going to happen next, burning through all of your tokens. But now it's not necessarily that situation anymore. So also, one thing I need to mention is that the limit got raised. So Hermes only gets so many steps to finish a job before it stops itself. So that was usually 90, okay? But now it's at 500. So 90 sounds plenty until you actually hand it something big, and then it quits 3/4 into the way through. So now it can handle longer conversations. It basically summarizes a little every turn instead of one long pause, and your recent messages always now survive. So there's also plus some more work on some updates, including newer models, office skills built in. So Word, Excel, PDFs, and PowerPoint work out of the box, and your MCP servers wait until they are needed instead of all of them just firing at once. So startups now going to be much quicker, and all of that is basically worth updating for. So now Hermes takes a correction while it's working. It answers you by voice from anywhere. It shows you where its answers came from, and that's not a list of features. That's a different kind of tool than the one that existed a month ago. So make sure to set up your own Hermes agent today, and you can do that by simply just clicking on the link to Hostinger down in the description below. It's going to take you directly to the VPS page. And plus, you can also check out our full written guide from this video. It is inside our free school community. The link is down in the description below, so go and grab everything over there. And also, if this video helped you, then give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those bell notifications so that you never miss another upload. And also, as always, I'll catch you on the next one.